It's been at least 10 minutes and my hand is still in this position, fingers and all, and I started to like, it kind of hurts right down after here. Mostly here, I don't know why that is, but this is where it hurts the most. This, can't even feel it. Can't even really feel it anymore. I'm really kind of afraid to move it now.
Let's get the move on video.
I'm really just kind of proud of myself. Like, I don't know why, but I just feel really accomplished.
Move it.
I just feel really accomplished that I kept doing this for so long. Isn't that sad? I'm kind of afraid. Alright, here we go. Do a little wiggle of the finger. And it lives. The